Hi, this is Sandeep again. So you can see the bar is on 0.0 and the boiler is not working, and on the boiler it says low pressure. Still, some of my customer, they have an issue and they don't know how to top up the pressure. So here you can see the filling loop and the pressure is 0.0. So I will show you how to top up the pressure. Here you can see the isolation bulb on each side, and this one is already open. So what you need to do, turn this thing on, just lift that thing off and open this slowly, and when it reaches 1.1, when it reaches between 1 and 1.5 bar, just turn it off. That's how we do it. So I'm going to turn it on slowly. Don't turn on full, just do it slowly. So this thing happens if there is a leak on your system. So this is the seal system. If there is a leak, then the pressure goes down and your boiler stops working. So it's 0.3 bar, 0.4, 5, so still you can see I haven't fully opened that valve. 0.8, 9, 1 bar, 1.1, 1.2. What I'll do, I'll just turn it off now. So here, so it's been turned off on 1.3. So here you can see the pressure is 0.4. I think that's, so the display will flash below 0.5 bar and the boiler will not operate 0.03. So the working pressure for this boiler is 0.3 bar. When the pressure goes down, it doesn't work properly. So this is how we do it. Turn it off and turn this thing off. I can hear there is a lots of air in the system. So don't leave this thing on. If you leave this thing on, what will happen, this is the cold water, main cold water, drinking water, and this is the dirty water from the boiler. So this will get connected, and there will be the cross contamination, backflow, and it will contaminate the drinking water. So hope you like the video. Thank you very much.